everyone, I'm SD Clarinda. So nice to meet you here. So today I'm going to demo how you can use the color demo kit. So in the kit you will find a lot of things. So I'll go through step by step. Okay. So firstly you'll find that you have a foundation primer. So this is actually like the first step after you apply your sunscreen, your skincare. Okay. So I'll prime my face using foundation primer. This amount will do for full face. So what I'll do is that I will put onto 5 areas. So this is also the makeup step that you can follow. Okay. 5 area: forehead, nose, cheek area, and chin area. And then now I will glide downwards. Okay. So this foundation primer, it has SPF 15, so it helps its sun protection. With SPF 15, it helps to cover up the pores and also the line unevenness of the skin texture. So it will help you cover up the pores to make sure that your makeup is really silky and also smooth. Okay, so this is how you apply, so downwards motion. So make sure you cover all areas of your face, especially like the nose area, but also in a downwards motion. Okay. So generally, if you have slightly larger pores around like the nose area and also the cheek area, you can apply a bit more. Okay. So foundation primer is done. Okay, so in your color kit you would have a makeup base. So I will be choosing my CC cream or luminous wear, which you can get it a la carte. So this CC cream is color corrector. So this is actually one of my favorite makeup base that I've used. So this one, it has very light feel on your face, and it helps to brighten up your skin and color correct, meaning that it will help to color correct the unevenness of the skin tone, and as well as cover redness. And within it, it also has additional SPF protection, SPF 15 as well. Okay, so this can be also said as a skincare plus makeup base. Because we all know that this is very good and feels very moisturizing. Okay, then the next one that I've introduced you is actually the luminous wear, or even we have the time wise matte wear. Okay, so for our makeup base, we can actually find according to our skin tone. So I'm using ivory 5. So for foundation we have like 4 skin tone: ivory to beige. So ivory 3, ivory 5, beige 3, beige 5. So depending, and also we do have according to skin type. So for our time-wise luminous wear or matte wear foundation, so this will have better coverage. Then this also has anti-aging peptides inside, so that's why it's under the time-wise series to really have the benefits of anti-aging skincare plus your foundation coverage. Okay, so what we do is actually that it goes according to skin type. So for pink stripe, it is normal to dry. Then for purple stripe, it will be for combination to oily skin. Okay, so for mine, it's actually normal to dry skin, so I'm using the pink stripe. Okay, so there are different skin tone to choose from. So for foundation, there's ivory 3, ivory 5. I'm using ivory 5, and also beige 3, beige 5. So according to your skin tone. Then for CC cream, is very light to medium, medium to deep, or deep. Okay, so these are the choices where you can find your makeup bases. Okay, so today I'll be using CC cream then. So what I do, I just pump up. You can use your hand, or you can also use the foundation brush. So usually I will use my makeup foundation brush. So as you can see, this. Then after that I will wet it first beforehand. I will usually wet my foundation brush with makeup finishing spray first. Okay, then I will take my foundation and I apply. Okay, I'll apply one side first so you can see the coverage. So just glide downwards as usual, and you can see with the brush it is very smooth application. So with the makeup on, you can instantly see that my complexion smoothes this out a lot. Okay, so especially the under eye area, you can also glide it on. Then make sure the sides. Okay, so you see once I have my CC cream on, it's smoother, and then it covers up like some of the like dots, dark spots that I have. Okay, so now I will continue on to the other side, and especially this foundation brush is very good because it can help you go underneath the eye area and then glide downwards to the nose corners. Okay, yes. So this foundation brush you can find a la carte as well. I love it because you don't need to dirty your hands or get a sponge. So once you have done with your makeup base, so now we start with drawing our eyebrow. Then later we take our eyes, our blusher, and our lips. Okay, so this is a very simple makeup that you can use with your demo kit. So right now I've been using my brow defining pencil. So as you can see, I've already sharpened it. Then after that you measure according to your corner of the nose to corner of the eyes to the starting point. Then the corner of the nose to the corner of your pupil, the dark pupil. So this is the arc. Then after the corner of the nose to the corner of your eyes at the back. So this is the tip. Okay, so actually my brow is already shaped to the proportion. As you can see, just now I measured, and after that I have already done the clearing off of the unwanted brows. So right now I can start to draw. Okay. So as you can see, I've drawn one side of my eyebrow. So that's the front so that it will give you more energy than not drawing your eyebrow. Okay, so now I'll complete the other. Come by makeup classes to learn how to draw your eyebrow. So it's hands-on, so you learn the techniques. Okay, so right now we are going to check our eyes. So you can find the eye primer, this small tubes, in your demo kit set. So this is the one to help your eye color, eyeliner stay on, especially if you have oily eyelids. Okay, so I do squeeze a bit and make sure you use your fingertips, the tip finger, and then you can tap it on to your eyelids. Okay, I'll do both sides. So you tap it on so that it will stay better on the eyelids. So even though you see that it's white, right, it is to prime your eyes so that the eyeshadow will stay on. So if you're doing a simple eye makeup, just do on the upper lid. If you're doing like smoky eye and doing under eye like eyeliner, you can actually do all over your eyes. Okay, so this is how we apply eye primer. And then after that, we will be using our eye colors. So from your demo kit side, you can see that you do have crystalline, the lighter base, chocolate kiss, and also truffle. So this is the lighter shade, then after that middle shade, and after that the darker shade. So we're using these 3 colors. So for video purposes, you will see you'll see me using the colors, then after that you'll know where exactly to draw. Okay, so using your brush kit, so this is our makeup brush kit that you have. So it has five brushes inside. I will actually what brushes and for what purposes. Okay, so right now we'll be focusing on 3 brushes that we'll be using. First for the eyes, so we do have the all over eyeshadow brush, then after that the eye crease brush, which is the sharper version, then after that the eye smudger brush. Okay, so this is what we'll be using to use. So firstly, take your eye over brush and take the lightest shade color that you have, so it's crystalline, and then I will go all over my eyelids. Okay, all over. You can see the shimmering effect of the eyeshadow. Okay, I'm looking at my mirror. Okay. Then I'll be changing my eye crease brush, so it's the slanted one, and I will pick up my second shade, which is darker crease, and I will put it over my eye corner of my eyes, gently forming the almond shape. Okay. So as you can see, the brown. And then what you want to do is just to blend. Okay. Do for the other side. So this brush, the eye crease brush, is very good because you can find that crease area very well and very easy to draw. Okay, let me look at the mirror. So forming the very nice almond shape of your eyes, and then blend it in the mirror with your first eyeshadow crystalline shade. Okay. Yeah, I can find a very nice gradual. Okay. So right now what I will choose is that I will use my eye smudger brush. This is the brush with the tip. Yeah, so it's very easy for you to add on the last bead. So you take the darkest color, and I want you to just put it right at the corner. Okay, for the darker. So it will be truffle. Truffle will be on the corner of my eyes. You can see it at the corner to accentuate the contouring of the eye shape and also the very nice smoky effect. Okay. So you want it to be darker, you can actually add. Right now I'll be using truffle on the bottom corner of my eyes, so I will just swipe it at the bottom just a little bit to keep that shape. You can clean off your brushes and then after that put it back into the makeup pouch. Yes. Right now I'm using back my brow defining pencil to draw like the eyeshadow line to have like the effects of eyeliner. For beginner, you can use this as your eyeliner. Then after that, then you can actually add on with your black eyeliner pen. So this is crayon. So make sure you open it up, set it in, and after that you can draw your eyeliner. It's very easy. You can see the line popping up. So bit by bit, you just have to draw it out. I'm looking at my mirror. Okay. So your beautiful eyeliner is out, and it helps to open up your eyes. You can see one eye big and one eye smaller. So if you want to correct your eye makeup, what you can do is that get your oil-free eye makeup remover in that set. This is to remove your makeup. So this is the top part. You can see that it's like floating. This is the one that helps you to remove the waterproof makeup. Then on the bottom part is to remove the non-waterproof makeup. Yeah, okay, so how you use it, you shake it gently. Then after that, usually you'll use a cotton pad to remove the whole face makeup, your eye makeup, and also the mouth, because it's gentle enough, it can be used for the whole face. But now I'll be using a cutie pig or like a cotton bud to help, correct your eye makeup. Like especially if you want to correct the lines. This is a very good technique to use. Okay, so just roll it, then after that you'll be gone. Okay, so let me roll it. And you can correct the lines as well. So it's very easy to use. Me clean it up. So there you go, the eyes. Done! Okay, so right now I'll be curling my lashes. So use the eyelash curler and curl it before you can apply your waterproof eye makeup mascara. So you don't pump your mascara to let the air go in, right? Then you will spoil your mascara. So just open gently, and then after that do a zigzag motion using the wand. And there you go. You have very nice lashes. Okay, you see these lashes are going up, and my lashes uncurling on the other side. Okay, let me do the other side. Zigzag motion and coat one side downwards and then push it up again. I'm looking at the screen. Okay. So your lashes are done. Now we are going to use this beautiful shade. This is Guava, so this is a cheek duo. So this will be your cheek color and this is actually your highlighting powder. So I especially love this because this is 2-in-1 duo and it's very convenient. Yeah. Okay. So now choose your cheek brush from your brush set. So this is the one that has that slight fan out. So this portion, the tip here, I will put on the brusher. Guava. So this is the nice, very nice warm color. So smile and then after that dab in a very gentle motion. And a circular upwards motion to have that gentle natural brush. See? With blush and without blush. Okay? So dust it off slightly. And don't worry, it will be very natural. Then after that, do the other side. So make sure that it doesn't go like 2 red dots on your cheek area. Okay, so make it natural. So fan it out. So especially this area. Okay? So don't go over your eyeball, this quarter, and don't go underneath your nose area. Okay? So this will allow you to have that very nice youthful look. Okay, then right now what I want you to do, flip over the brush, use this longer area, and then take your highlighting powder, and then put it onto your cheekbone area to highlight. Take some more. Okay, then like a bit more, the excess goes on to set your makeup. The last but not least, yeah, the step will be your translucent powder. It will have a hygiene patch, so what you do is that you just open it up. You can tap it on the cover itself, and you will use your powder all over brush, swirl it, then dust it off, and then swipe it. So this is how we set our makeup, and it looks very flawless and very satin feel to it, covering all the pores. Okay, and you are done. The other lip color that you have, and also for the lip gloss, what you can do is that you can put it at your tip of your lips to give it pumpy look. So you aim at like this heart shape here. Okay, then you are done. Thank you for watching. Now I hope you know how to use your demo kit better, and also if you have any questions, just look for your beauty consultant or sales director. They'll be able to help you. Okay, I'll see you. Bye.